Hey guys, got a new arrival for you here today. This is a 1957 Ford Thunderbird. This is a really highly optioned car. It's a 312 engine according to the VIN number. It's got power steering, power brakes, it's got power windows, a power seat, which is pretty cool. It's an older restoration, definitely driver quality. It's got a pretty decent paint job on it. As you can see here, it looks really nice. It's got wire wheels. And these wire wheels are a catalog item, and they are not cheap. So that is a really nice wire wheel it's got on it. Older white wall tires. If you're gonna do some serious driving with this car, I would recommend you upgrade to a newer set of tires just because of the age. So I'm gonna hop in, start it up, and see what you think. Put it in neutral. Easy starter. You can see the tack there. Horn. Wipers are vacuum operated, and they're definitely on the slower side. Got your heater controls, blower motor, right air, pretty cool. And then here is a rare option. We've only actually ever seen this option on just this car. We've never had a Thunderbird in with this power seat option. So you have different presets. Up and down is controlled by this one. The seat will move up and down and tilt. And this one will move it forward and back. And the seat is moving here as I change positions. And it, for how old it is, it actually works really well. But kind of a neat attempt at a power seat. So moving on to the power windows. Nice. And does have a recent oil change there with good ZDDP oil. Valvoline VR1 is what we use. You want to run zinc in older engines. Flat tappet camshafts. All right, there's your Ford Y block V8 engine. This is a D code according to the VIN number, which designates this as a 312, which was the bigger cubic inch for the time. It's got a aftermarket Holley 4-barrel on it. You can see you got power brakes here. You got power steering over there. And a really nice, honest engine bay. Try to rev it up here for you. You know, it is an older restoration when you look under the hood here, but for the most part, it's really clean and everything seems to still be working like you would expect. Really smooth running engine. bit of some paint cracking here under the headlight. A little bit of paint touch up right there. A little more paint touch up right there. So overall, it's in really good shape. Definitely nicely restored. So if you're interested in this car, make sure to go to our website. It's carsrememberwhen.com. You'll have about 80 plus high resolution pictures of it, including those of the undercarriage, so you can see how nice and clean it is under there as well. Again, this car is just a hardtop. There is no soft top with this vehicle, so keep that in mind. And if you got any questions, make sure to go to our website and give us a call, carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.